Hello all, I am Rushali Bhoite. In this video, I showcase a PictoBlox project created during the International Python Teacher Training Bootcamp. This project is aimed at basic Python programming using Python editor in PictoBlox. This is a simple Python program that calculates the sum of all numbers in a list using a loop. This project was developed for the International Teacher Training Program on Python with PictoBlox organized by STEMpedia. Now in PictoBlox, we are going to add the list items. Here we are going to ask the user to input the number for the list items. So let's get started. So here my first command is asking asking the user to input how many numbers they want to enter in the list. So here input function is being used. How many numbers do you want to add? After that, I'm going to use that as a counter for my list. But before that, I have to create an empty list and a variable for total for making the sum of the numbers. So here my list name is numbers, which is an empty list, square brackets, and the total is the variable which is going to store my sum of all the list items. Now, one by one, we are going to take the input for the loop. So here I am going to use a for loop, and in that for loop, let's see what to do. So here is my for loop for I in the range count. Now suppose if the user enters, he or she want to add 5 numbers, that count will become here as a 5. Now here inside the for loop, because here you have to use the indentation, this command is inside the for loop. Now I am going to ask user for entering the number, and the count here is the I is 0 initially, and then my counter of number, it will be number 1. So first number the user will enter, that number is stored in the num. Now this number is going to be added in the list. So numbers.append and num. So whatever number the user enters, that is going to be added one by one in the list. Now we have to find out the total. So find out the total using the add sum. So total plus is equal to num means in the total itself we are going to add the each and every number. Now the time is to print the result. So here I am going to print the original list also, and I am going to print the total also. So come out of the loop and then print the list of the numbers. The number list is printed and the sum of the number total is also printed. Thank you. Now it's time to see the output. Click on the run button. Then it is going to ask me how many numbers I want to add. Suppose I have written 5. Then add the first number, second number, third number, fourth number, and fifth number. Okay, now let's see the answer. So here it is going to print the list, and here it is going to print the addition of all 5 numbers. Thank you.